If you've noticed your iPhone or iPad overheating, you're not alone, and it can be quite frustrating. Today, I'll walk you through some effective solutions to fix overheating issues on any iPhone or iPad. First, let's quickly discuss why your device might be overheating. Common reasons include intensive app uses, environmental factors, or even software bugs. Knowing the cause can help us find the right solution. One of the simplest fixes is to close any unnecessary background apps that might be draining your device's resources. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen and simply swipe away the apps that you're not using. High screen brightness can also contribute to overheating. Let's lower it a bit. Simply swipe down from the control center and simply adjust the brightness slider down to a comfortable level. Now let's disable unnecessary location services which can drain your battery and cause overheating. Go to settings, tap on privacy. Now select location services and toggle off any apps that don't need your location. Like this. Now, software bugs can lead to overheating, so let's make sure your device is up to date. Go back to General, tap on Software Update, and if there's any update available, simply install it. Now, sometimes the case you're using can trap heat. Try removing it and let your device cool down. If all else fails, consider a factory reset, but remember this will erase all data, so back up your device. Go back to settings and on general, scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, iPad. Tap on erase all content and settings. And that's it. This step should help you resolve overheating issues on your iPhone or iPad.